Good afternoon. This is Chris Brecher with the free video for Simpler Trading Central Room and the Chart Pattern Mastery Room. What's today about? Open interest on triple witching. So let me show you what we're talking about. I traded on the floor a long time on the CBOE, and spread traders are usually identified of where they're sitting on an option if the open interest is evenly dispersed between calls and puts. You're going to see that if there's a lot of open interest on a stock, but it looks like a lot, but it's not relative to volume, it's just not going to be as reliable. What are we talking about? We're talking about Meta. Do you see on how the 560 puts only have 5,000 open interest? The the puts, the calls. The puts have 1,800. That's nothing. What's that mean? It means the stock can just get whipped around. It's less likely to close it at strike price. The other thing, I hear all these things about call walls. That's just not true. The key is that you need open interest on the puts as well. The reason is that if a market maker like me is long puts, long stock, short calls of all the same strike, as it approaches that strike, you have to unwind the position. That's why evenly dispersed is so important. So let's go into something that's near the strike. How about Tesla? Darn right. Where's the strike? Where's the open interest? Is it 240? Sure is. 25,000? 10,000? 19,000. How about 245? 22,000. I heard more people talk about call wall. It's not true. You got to combine the evenly dispersed. It might work once or twice, but in the long run, it's the evenly dispersed. What do you notice? 22 and 7. Nothing. So where do you think it's going? 240. What happened? A lot of people on our site bought puts on the opening when it was 245, betting on it going to 240. It's the evenly dispersed that matters. I just can't stress that enough. I'll show you another example. Here's Meta a year ago. We're going to go to the on-demand. We're going to go back to 2023. Triple witching. We're talking about September. We're going to 2015. September 15th, 2023. I want to show you this because I think it's a real eye-opener. So where was the open interest in Meta? Well, as you see on the upper left, it's pre-buffering. When I'm a lot of bandwidth it takes up, and we're doing a lot of things in the background, so it might take a minute. But basically, Meta went from 312 to 300. Went down 12 points. That's where the biggest open interest was. It was at 300. So when it's 312 and there's open interest at 310 and 305, well, it's a layup at the minimum. It's going to 310. So when it got to 308, we knew it would go to 305. When it went to 303.5, we knew it would go to 300. Here you go, down 11. So go look at the open interest here. You'll like this one. Go to the open interest. Where is the open interest? We're going to put in a number of the open interest. So you see this. Everybody and their mother was talking about the call wall at 315. As you see, that's just not the way it worked. Didn't work that way whatsoever. It went to where they evenly dispersed. The 300, 305, 310. 310 didn't have that much. So when it got to 312, we're like, it's going to 305 or 300. Now, we combine it with chart patterns also. But just keep in mind this. When you go back to the chart of Meta from last year, you're going to see what happened. There's your trend line. There was one later in the day. That's when we knew it would go to 300. How about the one earlier in the day? Yeah, we knew it would go to 310 at the minimum. And that kind of trend line means to me there's no support till this strike price. So I'm telling you, identify those strike prices. Just go and identify them. Use a lot of the big stocks. Go to a scan and just put in the most open interest for that day. Have a great weekend. Thanks for listening. Take care. Good afternoon, everyone. This is Chris Brecher, and I'm Senior Managing Director of Stocks at Simpler Trading. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you like our content, please leave us a like and a comment down below. Also, be sure to subscribe to our channel and click the bell notification icon so you never miss any of our great new content coming out. Good trading, and we'll see you at the next video. Take care.